continuation lang siya ng second vlog ko. So for today, we're going to build the rig from scratch. I'm gonna install the motherboard, the processors, the GPU, PSU, and everything to make this work and running. Kasi I believe some of you are excited actually to see anong itsura na itong fans na ito pag umiilaw na. So again, it's a 200mm RGB fan. The brand is also a Master Cooler MF2 200R RGB. So as I mentioned before, this fan costs 2,000 pesos. So, alam ko mas mahal pa. So if you think about it, 2,000 or 2,000, let's say 2,000 lang, already 4,000, right? And it's already included. But the sad part is the riser, GPU riser for the video. Sad to say, it's not included, but still a happy customer here. So today I'm gonna show you how will I install my motherboard over here. So right now, let me go ahead and take off the fan at the back kasi hindi mo naman kailangan pa to eh. Nakaharang lang to. So alisin muna natin. Kumbaga sa ano eh, mag-ahit ka muna. Tigas siya. Okay, so tinatanggal ko lang to guys because ayoko lang naman nakaharang, pero definitely kahit stock yan. It's the Master Cooler. So it's just a stock, it's not an RGB. It's 140mm. Magagamit mo pa rin exhaust fan pa rin. It's an exhaust fan. Kasi sa likod labasan exhaust fan talaga. Lahat papasok. In front, lahat ng hangin papasok and palabas dito lang. Kaya exhaust fan talaga. Hindi ba naman kailangan ng RGB? Pero papalitan ko ito ng RGB. So, yan na siya. Tinanggal ko na siya. My motherboard. Look. ROG Strix B450F Gaming. Hours. Okay? I think I've already showed this. So, let me take it out of the box. Alright, so now we are installing the CPU cooler. So, it's an AMD slot. Yung likod niya, pag pinakita ko sa inyo, ito yung pinaka parang support niya sa likod. Diyan mo ikakabit yung 4 screws. So, it supports AMD and Intel. So, kaya meron siyang mga ganyang slots para magamit mo siya sa, kung iba yung ano mo, CPU mo or yung processor mo. For this one, I'm installing an AM4 Ryzen 5 2600. So, ini-install ko lang yung CPU cooler. So, pinakita ko sa previous vlog kung ano yung cooler na gagamitin ko para lang makita nyo ulit kung ano itsura niya. Alright, so it's a Gamma XX GTE Hour Sync. It's a CPU. So you can see, sabi ko kanina, ayan, supports LGA 115X. Tapos Intel i7, i5, i3. Saka sa baba, Ryzen AM4. Ayan. So compatible siya kahit saan. Ayan, makikita nyo siya. This unit only has 1 RGB. Pero yung sa akin, dahil meron pa ako isang fan, I added one more. So, mas naging astig yung itsura niya. So, naglagay naman na ako dyan ng paste. This is how it looks like kapag nilagay natin. So, before we put the CPU cooler, lagyan muna natin yung board. Here you are. Let's go ahead and screw all the bits of daisies over there and over there, and everywhere. So, ayan. Install mo lang ng install. So, that's how simple. So ako, I'll make sure na lahat ng screws ay meron. Kasi iba, pag dito meron, dito wala na, doon meron. Kaya I'll make sure na lahat meron para secure siya. Kung yung masyadong higpitan, masikip na, pasok mo na itong CPU cooler. So papatong mo na siya. Kita nyo naman guys, oh, how beautiful it is kapag nailagay na natin to. So syempre, makikita nyo naman sa gabal yung fan na nalagay ko. So paano kayo nakakabit, di ba? So tatanggalin muna natin to. Kaya lang kasimple tanggalin to guys. So ito lang, oh. Angat nyo lang to, pak, tanggal na siya. Okay? Here's my thermal paste. Sabi nga nila, hindi naman to pandikit, so masyadong madami. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this on. So guys, napakasimple lang, oh. 4 screws, 4 holes. So, tatapat nyo lang yan dyan. Kapag may nakita kang butas, itapat mo lang. Pag nakita mong pumasok, nag-slide, ipasok mo na kagad. Tapos, evenly mo siya. Dito, upper left, and then lower right. Pagsabayin mo siyang i-screw para evenly hihigpit siya. And yung thermal paste mo, okay? So, para sure lang na medyo mahigpit siya, gamitan natin ng screwdriver. Hindi naman kailangan mahigpit na mahigpit, pero pag nakita nyo na mahigpit na siya, okay na yun. Baka mamaya ako saan pumapunta eh. So yan, hindi naman kailangang higpit ng karpentero ang gawin. Tamang higpit lang ang gagawin. So, eto, napakadali na naman ibalik. Siyempre, kailangan in and out. Eh, dito ko lalagay yung out kasi nandito yung exhaust fan eh. So, i-click mo lang naman yan. Click. Tapos, ganoon sa doon. Click. Tapos, tingnan mo lang kung nasa tamang, ano ba siya, slot. Baka mamaya, hindi. Ang galing mo, make sure na sa tamang ano siya para hindi pipi yung heatsink. So, ito is, lalagay ko na siya dito sa side na to. Para later on, ang galing na lang siya ikakabit. Same goes to the other. Alright, so we are now going to install the hard drive or the HDD. So I'm actually using a 4 terabyte Seagate iron flow. Ito yung mga ginagamit sa NAS. Kita nyo naman, no? Pang NAS, NAS. So mas mabilis to compare sa other old hard drive. I actually have 2, pero hindi naman ako ano eh. Hindi naman ako server type PC. I don't actually need a huge amount of hard drive. Pero definitely I'm gonna use this for my computer. So I have 2 slots. Gonna open one. I think I should use the one in the bottom. So ang gagandahan nyo guys, may lock na siya dito. Pag sinara mo, ayun yung lock niya. Oh. Hindi mo siya mabubuksan pag nakaganyan. Kahit i-lock mo siya, hindi mo siya mabubuksan. Pero once you open it, the whole door, you can take it out. Alright? So all you have to do is just to snap it on. Hindi mo na kailangan ng tornilyo dito guys. Snap on lang siya. So all you have to do is to face the Seagate or your hard drive, the SATA pins and the power pin on the back side. And then there is, as you can see, there is a pin here, or I think it's a screw or a pin. We're just going to slide it here. Ah, natatanggal ata siya. I don't think so. Pero let's try. Natatanggal. Ah, natatanggal pala. So tanggalin ko na lang. So dito sa kabila, di ko natatanggalin kasi nakalagay na yata siya. Nakaslide na siya eh. Ayan o. So all you have to do on the other side is slide it. Pwede mo siyang ilock pala oh. So ilalak mo pala siya. Alright, so yan. Nakabit na natin yung hard disk natin sa tray niya. And then we can put it back just simply sliding it. Just like that. And then snap it. That's it. Ito, pag naisip ako ilagay isa, lagay ko, pero I don't think I need it now. So, isa lang muna gagamitin. And then, we are going to install the PSU. So, it's a Seasonic PSU. So, as you can see, there's a plenty of room for this PSU. So, install na natin siya. Kita niyo naman, oh. Napakaganda. Napakaluwag. So, kagandahan dito, guys. Para sure ka talaga na hindi ka magkakaproblema. Kahit na-squirt, tanggalin mo na lang. Kasi yung kagandahan niya, meron siyang ganitong holder para sa PSU. So napakaganda talaga guys, napaka-elegante. Meron siyang ganitong lock. Oh, diba? Napakalupit, pre. Sobra sa lupit. Pwede mong tanggalin, tapos dito mo na kapit. Ayan no? So, walang tayo ng force close. Diba? Ang ganda, diba? Hindi matutuwa sa ganyan. Pwede mong hindi ka na mahihirapan pang magkabit. Tatanggalin mo lang yung plate, back plate. Pwede mo nang i-screw yung PSU mo. Huwag natin masyadong higpitan pala para kung sakaling higpitan ka lang mag-higpit. Medyo maluwag pa siya. Tapos you can just slide it in. Am I right? What do you think? Am I right? Oh, diba? Diba? See? See how elegant it is. Tapos pwede mo na kagad siyang higpitan ulit. Napaka ano niya. Tawag dito, napaka-futuristic ng design. Napakaganda, di ba guys? So, I hope mga iba pang mga yan yung gagawin. Mga developer ng CPU case. So again guys, meron tong GPU riser. Pero since wala ako nabili, it's not part of the case. I need to buy it separately. So temporarily, naka-horizontal muna yung aking GPU. I believe I've already showed you how my GPU looks like. So, but before that, let me install my RAM stack. 8 gig, 8 gigs, 3200 memory. So, install na muna natin siya para dito na lang sabihin nakabantang dulo. So, makikita nyo guys, para hindi kayo magkakamali, make sure lang na tama yung naka-slot na pagkakabitan nyo. Baka kasi baligtad, sira yan. So, make sure na sa tamang slot ka. Pwede mo naman compare and make sure that you are using the right memory for your case or for your board. Baka mamaya DDR3 nilalagay nyo, DDR4 yan. Okay? Make sure na nag-snap and it's perfectly securely in place or connected. Make sure that you hear the snap sound. That means that it's perfectly slide or securely connected to your motherboard. Yan naman pantay, walang mali. So good yan. And then the last part will be, as you can see, ito na yung pinakita ko before. Ito yung M.2, yung M.2 pa rito. Dalawa kasi yung slot ko ng M.2. Ito yung much faster than this, Kingston. This one is the VNAND SSD, the much faster SSD M.2. So this is going to be my primary connection. And this one is going to be my secondary. Pero I don't think gagamitin ko ito siguro if I have another board or another rig. I'm gonna use this on that rig. Pero for now, I'll just, leave it there. I'm not gonna use that anyway, but I'll leave it there. So, last thing is a graphics card. Use the graphics card. Kapag may riser to guys, see, ito dapat ito nakakabit. Tignan mo to. Tignan nyo to guys. Dan dapat nakakabit ka ng ganyan. So, pag nakikita mo siya, nakatayo talaga siya guys. Tignan mo, ang pogi, diba? Mas maganda siya kung nakatayo ngayon. Pero, sad part, hindi siya pwede. So, in the meantime, tatayo mo na siya. Tignan ko lang kung ano yung tatanggalin ko. Okay, so itong dalawa ang aking tatanggalin. Or I'll remove this cover over here. So, dun nga pala sa mga screws guys, pare-parehas lang siya. So, hindi ka pwedeng magkamali. Na, para saan ba ito? Para saan ba yan? Kasi pare-parehas lang lahat ng screws. Ganito lang lahat siya. Siguro mas elegante pa kung magandang screws talaga. Pero okay na rin. Pero sa price niya dapat mas elegante. Pero I think fair enough. So, okay, so I'm going to install this GTX 1070. I'm gonna slide it into my motherboard. I hope I'm not doing something wrong. Heard the snap sound, so it looks to me that it's secured. So I'm gonna tighten the screws now, and then I'm gonna install a bracket here later, maybe. So that's how it looks like kapag na-connect mo na lahat ng pieces mo. So I'm gonna put another RGB fans over here, maybe 3 128mm fans over here, and also on top of the case, I'm gonna put another 4 or 3 RGBs, 120 RGBs on top. So once the fans has been delivered, I'll make another video and then I'll show you what it looks like. I'm gonna fire up this thing. So kasi mas tatagal tayo kapag pinakita ko pa sa inyo ano yung mga dapat i-gawin. Pero mapakita ko naman sa inyo para lang mas magsisigil yung video. So I'm gonna fire up this thing and then I'll show you how it looks like, especially the RGB in front. I'm gonna show you how the lights looks like and gaano kabilis yung system once it's been installed. So I'll make another video of it. Again guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate your time, and to those who are subscribing and liking my page, again, please do not forget to hit the bell button and hit the bell button and the subscribe button, and continue to like my videos. Thank you so much, mga ka-case.